Hey everyone, so today we're gonna make some garlic shrimp spaghetti. For that we need cooked spaghetti, scallions and ginger, soy sauce, oyster sauce, oil, chili flakes, salt, pepper, and shrimps that are deveined and skinned. So I'm now taking a pestle and mortar to which I'm adding the scallion and ginger mixture. I also added a little bit of salt. So you can use a blender, but this was just easier for me. I'm crushing this until there's no more big chunks of ginger or scallions left, so you won't get them in your spaghetti. I'm now putting this in a bowl and gonna keep it aside. I'm now taking a small vessel to which I'm adding vegetable and sesame oil. You can always use another alternative to the oils I've used, like olive oil and sesame oil, but I just prefer this mix. So we're now gonna heat this for about a minute or so until it's really hot and bubbly. We're now gonna pour this over the scallion and ginger mixture for a nice aromatic and fragrant mix. Again, we're gonna mix this and keep it aside until it's a little cool so it's easier to work with. I've now taken a pot to which I've added 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I didn't add more because a lot of it has already gone into the scallion and ginger mixture. So to the pot I'm gonna add garlic and I'm gonna fry until it's nice brown and fragrant, to which I'm gonna add the skinned and deveined shrimps until it's a little pink, not completely cooked. So yeah, it would look something like this once it's done. I'm gonna add chili flakes. You can add more or less depending on the amount of spice you like in your food. To this I'm gonna add soy sauce and oyster sauce. As you might have noticed, I've not added any salt because I've not used light soy sauce. I've used normal soy sauce, so my food, or the shrimps you could say, was anyways a little salty, which is completely fine because I was gonna add the spaghetti anyway. So yeah, we're gonna put this back on the stove for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's simmered and the flavors have intensified. Once it's done, it looks something like this, to which I'm gonna add the spaghetti. Again, I've cooked the spaghetti like you normally would in boiling hot water, oil and salt. Again, I have not put that much salt in my water because I didn't want it to be salty. So it's gonna go back on the stove after you've tossed it around for about a minute. Once off the stove, I'm gonna put in the scallion and ginger mixture and we're gonna toss it around. Once you've tossed it around with the scallion and ginger mixture, it's gonna go back on the stove for about 3-4 minutes until it's nice and warm again. So yeah, pretty much it would look something like this after it's done. Now obviously you can serve it with a side of salad maybe if that's what you prefer. You can also garnish your spaghetti with extra scallions or more chili flakes if that's what you like. But I've gone for the classic, no garnish, no side serve of anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and hope you guys will try it out. Thank you.